Welcome to this Embrilliance video on how to precisely place embroidery on your projects. In Essentials, you will want to add a basting box from the utility menu. Print out your template and color change sheet. Trim your template and place it on your item to verify where you want the stitches to be. Using a technique called floating, we first hoop stabilizer all by itself. The first stitching of the basting box onto your stabilizer shows you exactly where the embroidery is going to stitch. Using double stick tape or a light spray of adhesive, attach the floated item to the hooped stabilizer. Be careful to double check your placement. We stitched the basting box again, and this showed us right away that we needed to realign our item to ensure that it was straight. Better to double check now than later. When our design has finished stitching, we see that the template and basting box ensured accuracy. An easy way to remove the basting box is to clip stitches on the back side of the hoop, including the starting knot. The top stitching pulls easily away. Carefully trim away the stabilizer and enjoy your embroidered item. And now you have an easy technique for accurately placing embroidery using templates and basting boxes.